Dear students, I welcome you all to this problem solution series in digital electronics. I am solving the problems from the book Digital Design by Maurice Mano and Michael Sileti. So in this video, I am solving the problem number 2.20 from chapter number 2. The problem is express the complement of the following functions in sum of minterms. We are given some functions in sum of minterms form, but we have to find out the complement of those functions. Okay, and express in sum of minterms form. Okay, so let us do it one by one. So the first problem is f of a comma b comma c comma d equal to sum of 3 5 9 11 15. Here we are given in sum of minterms form already, so we have to find out the complement of this function. So if we take complement, that is f dash of or f bar of a comma b comma c comma d, so it will contain the terms that is not present in this sum of minterms expression. So directly we can find out the complement function in sum of minterm expression, such as 0 comma 2 comma 3 is there, so 4 5 is there, so 6 7 8 9 is there, 10 11 is there, 12 13 and 14. Here we have another one. Okay, so 0 1 2 so on. Okay, now let us solve the second part of the problem. So in the second part, we are given a function f of x comma y comma z equal to this product of 2 4 5 and 7. So here we are given in product of maxterm form. So first of all, let us find out the complement. F dash of x comma y comma z will be in product of maxterm form. It will have the terms that is not present here. Okay, so it will have 0 1 3 6. So this is the complement in product of maxterm expression, but in the question we have to express this in sum of minterm expression. So this in sum of minterm expression, we will have the numbers that are not present here. So we will have 0 1, then 2 4 5 and 7. Okay, so this is the complement function in sum of minterm expression. So f dash of x comma y comma z equal to this much. So this is the sum of minterms expression. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.